This part of demonstration shows you how to import a table on a web page to your Excel. Web page is actually one of the biggest sources for the structured data, something look like this. We're not going to analyze any of those, but it'll be nice if we can figure out a way to import this data into the Excel spreadsheet. So it turns out that it doesn't really require a huge effort to be able to do that. I mean, the first thing you will be thinking is, can I just, copy and, do it like this? Well, that really the not very intelligent way of trying to work with this. So you can try to see if it pastes okay. So it doesn't really always work in that way unless you really select it in a meticulous way such that all the tables are sort of included. Doesn't really, yeah, this worked much better. So you really need to be careful about the selection. And the alternative way I'd like to demonstrate, which I'm also expect you to use it to complete this part of assignment, is to utilize the data import tool, right? You can, under data tab, you can see that you can get the data from web. Well, this function doesn't always work, especially when the website structure is very sophisticated and a website is trying to prevent people from using this feature, chances that it won't work well. But those example website I listed here, they will work for in the way I expect it to work, right? So make sure you get rid of it. So make sure that your web address is correct. So, I mean, that's this particular website, right? I'm just gonna do it one more time. Yeah. And you click OK. And in this screen, make sure that the Excel is trying to retrieve data from the web address that you want to retrieve. So of course, this is the web address I'm trying to get the data from, and you click connect. It will take some time, a little bit of time, right? And it will list number of tables the Excel has found from the particular web page. So if you go to the second table, which is a table we want, you need to manually verify table by table, right? So once you confirm this is what you need, I would say just click load. Let's see what's in here, but it's okay, just click the load. And it will load the data into this format. So save it and submit it, and that's what I want. Okay, so other web address work in a similar manner. So this is indicating that I'm asking you to pull the table. There are multiple tables you can find from this particular web address. I'm basically asking you to only pull the main table, not the other ones. Okay, so I hope that this actually helped you. Yes, see you in next video.